Good morning to all my dear students. In the last lecture, we have studied some functions of promoter. Okay, the functions of promoter mein what we have studied. See, promoter is the member or promoter is an important person for the formation of the company. He is a founder member of that particular company. Okay, and what he need to do is he need to complete certain processing to start with that particular organization. ओके सो अंडर इट फर्स्ट हमने क्या देखा था, आइडेंटिफाइंग एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी. वॉट एवर आर द बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटीज आर देयर इन द मार्केट, सो टू ग्रैब दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी to make the analysis of the market and to make sure that whether to continue with that particular business activity or not, whether to produce that particular product or not, whether to start with that service or not. Okay, so to analyze this thing, it is what function, one of the function of promoter. Okay, and while identifying and understanding such business opportunity, he need to keep in mind the feasibility study. Feasibility study means what? If we have money, bulk amount of money with ourselves to start with that business, so whether some another technical feasibility is there or not. What does it mean? Whether suppose I want to start with my steel business, so मुझे steel business के लिए I will require a lot quantity of steel, yes or no? So steel से बने जो utensils होंगे, so that for that thing I will require steel. So whether I will acquire that particular steel from the nearby location or not, whether it is possible or not, that is what technical thing. Okay, और वो utensils बनाने के लिए that particular machinery वो हमारे इंडिया में मिलेगी या नहीं मिलेगी. ओके, रॉ मटेरियल इंडिया से मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा, दैट इज़ व्हाट टेक्निकल फिजिबिलिटी. इकोनॉमिकल फिजिबिलिटी मीन्स व्हाट? वेदर टू स्टार्ट विद दैट बिजनेस एट अ रैशनल कॉस्ट और नॉट. ओके, अगर मैंने बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर दिया लेकिन प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट इतना है कि आगे चलकर द कॉस्ट ऑफ दैट प्रोडक्ट विल बी हायर एंड नो बडी कैन अफोर्ड दैट मच ऑफ कॉस्ट. Okay, so it is what? Economic feasibility. And last, financial feasibility means. Now moving towards next is name approval. Okay, now in this, once the promoter will decide that exactly which type of business he wants to start. Okay, when he will settle with all the feasibility that there is a technical things are available, financial things are available. Okay, so after completing or fulfilling all those economical, financial and technical feasibility, he will decide for the name of the company. Okay, and as per the rule, one company should not make or take the name of another company. Okay, for example, there is one company, name is Haldiram Halwai. Okay, so Haldiram Halwai के नाम से ही same company I cannot start. Okay, so name should be a different, and for that purpose to the registrar of company, the promoter will send at least 3 names. Okay, 3 would be name for the company. Under it, first any of the name will be decided. Okay, now see, once the promoter have decided to launch a company, next step is to select the name for the company and get it registered with the registrar of companies of the state in which the registered office of a company is to be situated. Okay, for example, my company I am going to form in Maharashtra state. So in the Maharashtra state there is a registrar of company. Okay, registrar of company मतलब क्या? जहाँ पर हर एक कंपनी का जन्म होता है. Okay, the company will get certificate of their incorporation, the company will get their birth certificate, so therein you have to register your company's name. Okay, and that office is known as what? Registrar of company. Okay, don't forget this thing. Okay, registrar of company, ये बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण टर्म है. Very important term it is for the formation of company. At any point, whenever the company wants to make some changes, big changes in the company formation, so at that time company need to provide prior intimation to such registrar of company only. Okay, once the registrar of company will approve for such changes or any kind of new new things to happen in the company, so once the permission will be granted from the registrar of company, then only company can start with such new things or new decision. Company can implement such new decisions. Okay, so अभी कंपनी का नाम भी रखना है. सो फर्स्ट और फॉरमोस्ट अप्रूवल कहाँ से मिलेगा? रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ कंपनीज. ओके, an application with 3 names, okay, underline this, with 3 names in order to their priority is filled with the registrar to get the name approved. ओके, कंपनी का नाम रखना है. सो कोई भी किसी भी कंपनी का नाम चोरी कर कर रखेंगे हम? नो, it is not possible. So at that moment there might be chances that you don't know that whatever the name which you have decided, that name is already given to the another company which is situated in the same state or other state of India. ओके, सो रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ कंपनी सेम नाम से आपको भी बिजनेस ओपन करने देगी? नो. सो यू शुड बी प्रिपेयर्ड विद द 3 प्रायोरिटी नेम for your company, and then you will get the approval from registrar. Is that clear? Okay, so moving towards next is fixing up signatories to the memorandum of association. Now we are going to study what is memorandum of association in the upcoming lecture, but for the time being just make sure that it is one of most important document for company. Which document? Memorandum of association. Okay, so memorandum of association इतना important document है. So there must be a VIP person from the point of view of company, or most important person should be there who will sign such memorandum of association. Yes or no? Okay, so usually if the company wants to build up their capital by issuing shares in the company, so in that case पब्लिक ने कंपनी के शेयर परचेस करने से पहले देयर आर सर्टेन नंबर ऑफ पीपल, ओके, सर्टेन नंबर ऑफ पीपल who will provide guarantee to purchase the shares of company. Okay, to purchase a certain quantity of shares of the company. ओके, और अगर वो गारंटी लेते हैं कि ये कंपनी आराम से चलेगी फॉर अ लाइफ लॉन्ग, फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम एज अ गोइंग कंसर्न, इफ दे आर गिविंग श्योरिटी एंड इफ दे आर रेडी to invest, okay, if they are ready to invest in the company's shares, then any person can rely on such company. Why? Because कंपनी के जो फाउंडर है या फिर कोई पर्सन है, जो कौन है, बड़ा बिजनेसमैन हो, इफ़ दे आर इंस्टीट्यूशनल इन्वेस्टर्स, ओके, इफ़ इट इज़ इफ दे आर वन बैंक और ओके, or they are founder member of a company, if they are purchasing those shares of a company compulsorily, okay, और ये कंपनी के कौन रहते हैं? the ones they will compulsorily decided to purchase the shares of company. such shares are called as qualification shares. okay, they are called as directors also. okay, जो कंपनी के qualification shares लेने के लिए तैयार होते हैं. qualification shares means the shares which compulsorily to purchase by a person, okay, and such person is called as what? Directors of a company. okay, so ऐसे नहीं कि आप कंपनी चलाओ बट कंपनी में खुद का पैसा नहीं डालो, ऐसे चलेगा? no. okay, see, the promoters decide upon the members who will signing the memorandum of association of the proposed company. usually the signatories of memorandum are the first directors of the company. ओके, जो मेमोरेंडम पर साइन करते हैं दे विल बी कॉल्ड एज डायरेक्टर्स ऑफ अ कंपनी. ओके, एंड व्हाई दे विल साइन सच मेमोरेंडम? why they will sign such memorandum? because they are going to purchase or they are going to take up qualification shares of a company. मतलब क्या? compulsorily a specific quantity shares कौन परचेस करते हैं? डायरेक्टर्स परचेस करते हैं. सो ऑटोमेटिकली व्हाट दे आर गोइंग टू डू? दे आर गोइंग टू इन्वेस्ट इन द कंपनीज शेयर. ओके, so however the written consent of the person signing the memorandum is required to act as a directors and to take up the qualification shares in a company. okay, सिर्फ सिग्नेचर करने से हो जाएगा सब कुछ? no. what he need to do? he need to give his written consent to sign his memorandum, to sign that company's memorandum, and along with to take the qualification shares. Okay, अगर मैं कंपनी के qualification shares लेती हूँ and if I am ready to become a director of a company, so what I have to do, I have to sign this memorandum of association. Is that clear? Okay, now next is appointment of professionals. Okay, now once the signatories are fixed that there are total 5 members who will sign the memorandum of association and who will be agreed to purchase qualification shares of the company. मतलब compulsorily shares जो purchase करने रहते हैं वो compulsorily share कौन purchase करेंगे? Directors. Okay, so signatories are fixed, directors are fixed. Okay, now next is what? Appointment of professionals. Okay, why there is a need to have a professionals in the company? Because a company form of organization needs to run a certain activities regarding banking, activities regarding legal matters, yes or no, activities regarding auditing, etc. Okay, activities regarding handling company's accounts, etc. Okay, and for that purpose professionals such as mercantile bankers, auditors, etc. are appointed by the promoters to assist them in the preparation of necessary documents which are required to be filed with registrar of company. Okay, because the promoters are also very much new in the market. Okay, they don't know the legal matters. Okay, so what they will do is from where to take a loan or from where to build the capital for the company. Okay, from where to make the audit of company's accounts, or else from where to prepare some legal documents. So इसके लिए assistant तो लगेंगे कि नहीं? Okay, and those assistants are nothing but these professionals. Okay, who will provide their professional assistant, high skilled assistants to the for the company's matters. Yes or no? Okay, so ये appointment of professional is compulsory. Now see, promoters are also required to appoint certain professionals. These professionals helps them in the preparation of necessary documents that are required to be filed with registrar of companies. ओके, रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ कंपनी मतलब क्या होता है? सारी कंपनी, जितनी सारी कंपनीज है इंडिया में, वो सारी कंपनीज का देयर इज वन लीगल हेड ऑफिस, एंड सच लीगल हेड ऑफिस इज नथिंग बट रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ कंपनी. सो कोई भी कंपनी हो, इफ दैट कंपनी वांट्स टू मेक सम बिग चेंजेस, so those big changes will be done by getting approval of such registrar of company. even कंपनी का अगर नाम भी रखना हो तो भी आपको किससे पूछना पड़ेगा? ये रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ कंपनीज को ही पूछना पड़ेगा. इज दैट क्लियर? ओके, नाउ मूविंग टूवर्ड्स नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज प्रिपरेशन ऑफ नेसेसरी डॉक्यूमेंट्स. अभी क्या हुआ? अपॉइंटमेंट लिया प्रोफेशनल्स का. फॉर व्हाट? फॉर टेकिंग असिस्टेंस फॉर प्रिपरेशन ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट्स. अभी तो अपॉइंटमेंट हो गया. नाउ नेक्स्ट वर्क विल बी प्रिपरेशन ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट्स ओनली. ओके, एंड वंस द कंपनी विल प्रिपेयर विथ ऑल दोज डॉक्यूमेंट्स, एक फाइल बनाएगी कंपनी, एंड कंपनी विल सेंड और कंपनी विल सबमिट दोज फाइल्स विथ व्हाट? with registrar of company. Okay, in the registrar of company's office. See, the promoters are required to prepare necessary legal documents that have to be submitted to the registrar of companies for getting the company registered. Okay, company registered हो गई मतलब क्या हो गया? कंपनी का जन्म हो गया. Is that clear? Company is getting birth by getting registered themselves in the registrar of company. Okay, so promoters takes up the promoter takes up steps to prepare certain legal documents which have to be submitted under the law. Okay, as per the law ये सारे documents को आपको submit करना पड़ेगा so that to be a fair in the business relation. Okay, or in the business corporates. Okay, then these documents are what? These documents are what? Memorandum of association, articles of association, consent of directors and statutory declaration. Okay, so इसमें से हमें क्या सीखना है? In the next lecture, memorandum of association we will study. Okay, and then consent of directors. Consent of directors means what? They are giving written consent for taking up the qualification shares and to become a director of that particular company. Okay, for signing the memorandum of association and for agreeing all the terms and conditions regarding that company and to run that particular company, they are taking that charge. ओके, सो ये सब कंसेंट रिटर्न ये सब रिटर्न लेटर क्या करेंगे? डायरेक्टर्स प्रिपेयर करके देंगे. एंड अलॉन्ग विद दैट मेमोरेंडम एंड आर्टिकल ऑफ एसोसिएशंस भी एक डॉक्यूमेंट है. वो डॉक्यूमेंट्स भी क्या बनाएंगे? कौन बनाएंगे? ये प्रोफेशनल्स बनाएंगे जिनको किसने अपॉइंट किया है? प्रोमोटर्स हैव अपॉइंटेड देम. Okay, and one statutory declaration, that is also one legal paper. Okay, so all those documents they will file with the registrar of company to get the registration done. Okay, so all those were functions of what? Functions of promoter. Is that clear? So here we are done for the day. In the next lecture we will study the documents required to be submitted. What does it mean? ये जो memorandum of association है, we will study that in detail. Then articles of association क्या होता है, that thing we are going to study. Is that clear? Okay, so till then here we are done for the day. Thank you.